This video is about the Batura trek, which Batura is actually a pasture area. Batura is actually of two parts. In the middle is Batura Glacier. One part, the green one you show, that's Hussaini. The yellow one, including summer house, is Pasture. Yashbert is for the Pasture side. This video would be only on Hussaini side, like Mulungin, Kirgaswash, Kudmur, Maidun, and these parts of next would be to trek to Pasture side. Now when we start our journey to Batura, first we find summer house, which is open for everyone. Batura is a beautiful landscape, greenland, glacier and mountain area. Our starting point was from Hussaini, and the trekking would be taking 6 to 7 hours. Then we start our journey like this. At 8 o'clock, 8 p.m. we start our journey from KKH, and after 1 hour at 9 o'clock we reach to Samara house. We take 15 to 10 minute rest. And after 1 hour, 9 o'clock we start our journey from Samara house, and at 10 o'clock we reach to Malongin and we take our dinner over here.
One more of tea. Sure.
In 2 a.m. we start our journey from Malongin. After 1 hour we reach to Tingi at early in the morning, 4:30 a.m. At 5 o'clock we reach here, that we find this lake, that is Horjoy, before 10 minutes of our destination with a beautiful landscape. Green tea, chamuru.
Actually, this is the process. The smell. You can look. Beautiful. Another flower.
We reached our destination, and here the Kirgaswash. And early in the morning, 5:30, we reached to Kirgaswash.
يمي افتخار عليك السلام يمي جارش.
Already another group was also here. Somehow fun. Now breakfast time.
يعني كتاود ديزل تخسر.
We take rest of 3 to 4 hours. Then we go to explore some places. Here we find Batura Glacier. The sound you hear, the water like glacier, like you find in different parts, small. In the middle there is white, in the side there is black one. The moraines, side moraines.
Less 5 minutes ahead.
Okay. One of our partner found water, so we are going to
take water for drink as well.
Right now you can look over here. The water comes from the inside of that avalanche, and you look at the avalanche. The source of water.